Yeah.
Half a while. Octopus! Come on, guys. Woo! Lara. Jamaican shore fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourself. Back at ends again. Brian just caught a barra down here on his last video he posted this morning. Seen it? Good one, Brian. Good catch. Let's go back here same way and see if we can pick something up. Looks like they've been coming back again. I haven't been able to hit nothing up back here from the other day. Been slow, as you guys see. Brian came back here and just hit a barra the other day, so that was pretty cool. Let's see what's up, guys. Let's go in here and get something hooked up for you guys. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Definitely watch the ads. Jamaican Shore Fishing is always out here. It's always another epic, exciting adventure. Each time we come out, we push out and we do the best we can. Push out the best content that we can for you guys. Alright, guys, so stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. One love. Yeah, get these cameras adjusted right, guys. I'm just getting out. I am going to get wet today, by the way. My legs are. I don't think I want to get my shorts wet today, guys. But let's get in here. Get a few casts out. I see some lines set over there. Like, what the fudge? That's why I didn't go that way in the first place, because someone has lines set back here to catch fish. So let's cast this out there, guys. See what we can pick up. Jamaican Shore Fishing. First cast. First cast, guys. Makes no sense in me casting too much that way because someone's got their line set. I want to drop over one of their lines now. Oh shit. Guys come back here, they come fishing and they drop these lines back here, and these lines that are popped off back here, guys, look, pain in the asses, man. Never clean up after themselves. Look at this, guys. Big old mess. And it catches my line again. What a pain in the ass. These damn loose wires and stuff. Well, anyways, get it out the water. That's the main thing. Alright, guys, let's continue with our fishing. We don't go back this way. We're going to head back to the piers over there. And, oh damn, somebody lost their passport. Yeah, shore fishing, so as you can see. What up, man? What are you up to? I kind of figured it was you. I was like, alright, I'm not even gonna even fling line over there too far.
Yes.
But somebody's been leaving line in the water like crazy. What's up,
Hey,
man?
How are you doing, man?
It's
All
my
right.
brother.
What's up, man? You guys caught anything yet?
Nah, not yet. Cool.
I wasn't even planning on drop line fishing today, but so
Which country is
passport.
that?
Antonio Lloyd, George Antonio Lloyd Smith. This is a Jamaican passport.
That's
Why would you be walking with your
old.
passport out here? It's not old. It's just a matter of supposed to the fact that he lost it and need this information to get back
Yeah.
to get back his new passport. Jamaican passport.
Yeah. Never see a Jamaican passport like that before.
This is the original passports. I have one.
Yeah?
Yeah. This is back in the 80s.
Yeah,
Oh.
first time.
Yeah, this is the first time passport. And if you don't have this, you can't get the new one. No. So I'll leave it on the base over there for them.
Yeah.
Find it.
Probably they can find them.
The police?
Is somebody leaving line in the water?
Yeah, bro. A whole bunch of line got caught on my lord. So me and this.
Octopus, right? That's all.
Where?
A little tiny one.
Where at?
Not this, sir.
Give me, hold this. Let me get a jig head on it and see if he'll come out and grab it.
Right in that same there.
He's big?
Tiny, really
Tiny. Nasa. I'm not messing with him if he's that tiny. I thought it was some.
Tiny, is it?
They look tiny, but they be big as hell though.
I'm not Melbourne, is it?
That's not a little octopus, bro. That's a big octopus.
Yeah?
Yeah. Hold on, watch him. Don't let him move. Don't let him move. And I had the jig heads in the car, you know. There's a special jig head that you gotta use for them. Won't catch this octopusy. Octopusy. Where you at?
You got a nice barrel.
I'll be hitting them for sure. Where's that jig head? Come on, jig head. Have to be in the next one. I had them in the box and I took them out the other day and I see it. Thing is that when you're changing out sometimes, yeah guys, so I gotta get this jig head on. It's squid jig or octopus jig, you want to call it.
So you get stuck on that?
What's that?
You get stuck on this?
I catch octopus. Come on, watch him, man. Watch him now. I don't look like octopus that here. You see him grab it, right? Watch him now. Here's Jamaican shore fishing. We're trying to catch an octopus. Big octopus in a bro.
Big? Come back, big. You're not looking at me.
Come on, what? Making hooky good one. You have to come out with this now, you fucker, yo. You have to come out with this now. Octopus killer. You can't let go that now, you know?
Yeah, let
What I want to do, I grab the wire lead. Hold the rod for me, hold the rod for me. Just hold the rod right here. The wire lead, I want to grab, man, and pull him out. You can't pop the wire lead now, you know? You have to come with the wire lead, you know?
your body in the water.
Strong man.
I say, bro. And I want easy creature for reckon with, you know?
So me see man think him small, but him not small.
Alright, hold this. We're gonna get him out. But we're not letting them get down there. He might want to come out. Can't do nothing, you know. But what happened is, you gotta let him know that he gotta come out that hole.
Deep one, man.
No him Billy later, man.
Yeah, man.
Fuck, hold on, Panny, good enough. Hold tension, Panny, here.
Yeah, man.
You don't want to come up, you know. I'll get him out, man. I want to see in the block, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm black.
Mm-hmm.
Black can't take up.
See there? Try now.
Building block.
Try now. Yo, guys, we got an octopus in here. Probably I take up the block, the backside. Look here. Take out the backside out today. He get knocked out.
Ain't big enough.
Where think you go? Guys,
Water.
you got a sea cat, guys. Eh?
Take him from the water.
You can't go the way again. He hook, you know?
Whoa, man. Big man. You have look aside.
You have a line go off, you know? Me hear bell go off for a while. Hey guys. You can want to stick man around there, so I can come up. You have to come up, you know? You have to come up. You hook. You can't come off of this. No man, you have to come, you know? Hey guys, check this out. Catching an octopus, guys. Can't prime so easy, man. You have to juke him from the other side.
Yeah, man. I juke him, but I put in tentacles.
Round the block. Just if you want to lift him up in the air when no mobility, you know. Ah, see me now.
Oh.
See there. Octopus! Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Look at this, guys. He can't get away from this. He cannot.
Yeah.
That's his ink.
Yeah. Where you say it can't stay in it.
Yeah,
What
man.
that?
Can't stay in the hand.
Yeah.
Easy to come on.
Yeah, guys, look at that. You guys eat this? You eat sea cat? You eat him?
Yeah, man. You see.
You want it? You can have it. You crazy, bro, with some fried rice?
A one man pot that in a
You
man.
say fly lice?
Yeah. A one man pot.
Say the right thing, man.
No, but some eat.
Yo,
like
listen,
that.
me have to kill it first, you know. Cause no matter how you lock up that igloo, you might escape out of that, you know. Yeah, I swear, I see one did it to me already in my cooler. Yeah, guys, so we're just messing around. We caught the octopus.
What?
And look at you, your tentacles is so sharp.
Oh, then kill him. Cut off his head.
Who that? No man, just juke him 9 brain. Right 9 brain between the 2 eyes.
Put him. Right, that's
Put him on the flat. Or you just, yeah, right between the 2 eyes, or just, yeah, just top him, or crush him between the 2 eyes, right? That's all. Right, that's all, yeah. I'm done, man.
Yeah, man. We go.
So grab him by your head. Grab him by the back of your head right here, so climb out underneath the tentacles, you know.
grab him
Yeah,
right
grab him
there.
right, that's all, man. Yo, bro! Dude got squirmy.
I want go on.
You can get squirmy, look quiet and ball out.
You sticky enough.
Yeah, we know
Oh, man. Yeah, it's like, it's sticky. It feels
Like
funny.
suction cups.
Yeah, it's like suction cup. It ain't gonna do you nothing. Ain't gonna do you nothing, you know. Just grab the back of your head, man.
Feel weird, man.
Just grab the head, man. Don't worry about the tentacles. They're gonna go on your hands. Just don't worry about that. They're not gonna do you nothing.
Feel weird.
You can't bite your sea mouth under there, so.
Nah, they
Your
know.
mouth and I mingle there, so.
You can't shake off.
No, not off of this. You gotta unhook him. That's why I tell you have to go turn it upside down. Hold him head and make me take it off.
can't hear nothing, brother.
You call him then, no? Call him.
Come, Joe.
Because
Boss, afraid of the thing that.
I don't like feeling from my hand.
Listen now.
Hold him on the, hold the head. Just hold the head, man.
Yeah, like.
Just hold the head, no man, to stick man, you know, but you have to just take it off. Hold the head.
Oh, yeah, Thursday night doing nothing.
Should have some gloves.
Well,
Yeah,
come.
Thursday, you feel a way. I don't like feeling from my hand.
You know poisonous, right?
No, sir.
No, no.
So you can't, it's like, you hold him, hold the head good enough.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yo guys, I can't handle this today, man. Yo guys, I can't handle this today. Look, he's sticking his tentacles. Look, they stick on everything, bro. Look, they stick on anything that they touch. Just hold the head.
Alright, come in.
Just hold the head good.
Him not dead enough.
Bro, squeeze his head. Look at
Not
this man.
dead, man. Kill
See him
him
out
first.
and that's why I can't do nothing to you. This a man afraid I sit in the backside.
Think him out again.
Come on, I'm a jig.
Feel creepy.
But then that exactly sits when you
Feel
put it.
creepy.
Makes me keep off me hand.
So see I feel sea cat, eh?
Yeah, like that. Touchy like me, touchy. But not making wrap on
Go.
my hand.
Yeah boy, squid jig. I catch squid with these.
Oh, so one thing up on it.
Octopus and squid. For them style that they love.
Real.
Shrimp.
Mhm.
Like a shrimp.
Yep. Didn't expect to catch an octopus today, but well, we made a video. Well, Jamaican shore fishing, as you see, we met up again with a subscriber and he's here. He's afraid of octopus. Yes guys, we our boss is scared of the octopus here. See if we can catch another squid or octopus or something and see that they're here. Long jaws chasing. Fish on guys. Woo! Lara. Yeah, you're making shore fishing? Got him. Oh shit, he let go. Woo! He let go, Jamaican shore fishing. He let go just now. He's not gonna hit it back though, guys. He shook the lure a while ago, guys. Hit this hard too. Damn, it didn't get him good enough. Nice size barra too, you know, guys. Damn it. Nice barra, guys. Holy smoke. Yeah,
That was
guys,
a
so
good five.
that's it. That's it for today, guys. One squid and no catch on fish. I mean, squid is a fish, but yeah, that was about it. That was the only catch I got this morning, and I gave it to homeboy. So that was a pretty cool catch. Not a bad catch, but we're gonna head home, and then we're gonna push back out to the other side over there where I got some work to do, guys. I got some stuff to finish up from in the week that I had arranged for this weekend, and I have to work tomorrow, so I don't know how fishing is gonna work tomorrow, along with some meetings and stuff. So that's gonna be crazy. So stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Big up yourself. Thank you for joining the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch ads, guys. And just remember, we are out here. Big up yourself.